This is a spectacular solar-powered 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom villa located in an exclusive gated community in Punta Cana. The home benefits from exterior shower, gym, solar panels, water filters for drinkable water, elevator, shutters, 2 kitchens, and more. This is a very unique villa where the kitchen's living room and dining areas are found on the 2nd floor, and 3 of the 5 bedrooms are on the 1st floor. There is 1 bedroom located on the 2nd floor with a private staircase to a 2nd bedroom, ideal for guests. The villa is situated in one of 2 lots. The 2nd lot provides a large patio. Contact Coldwell Banker Prime Realty for more information on this listing.